Confidence rarely disappears all at once. Instead, it fades gradually through small, repeated behaviors that seem harmless in the moment, but carry long-term consequences. And one of the most damaging of these habits is negative self-talk, the quiet inner voice that constantly questions your worth, your ability, and your potential. Inspired by the teachings of Dr. Joseph Murphy, we begin to understand that the subconscious mind absorbs whatever we repeatedly tell ourselves, whether those messages are empowering or destructive. And when you consistently think thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," "I always mess things up," or "I can't do this," you are essentially training your mind to accept these statements as truth, which then shapes your behavior, your decisions, and ultimately your results in life. This habit often operates beneath your awareness, showing up in subtle ways such as hesitation before taking action, fear of speaking up, or avoiding opportunities altogether. And over time, it builds a pattern of self-doubt that feels difficult to break because it has become familiar and automatic. What makes this habit especially dangerous is that it doesn't feel like a habit at all. It feels like reality, and that illusion keeps you stuck in a cycle where your confidence continues to weaken day after day. However, the moment you become aware of this pattern, you gain the power to change it, because awareness is the first step toward transformation. By consciously observing your thoughts, you can begin to challenge the negative ones and replace them with more constructive, supportive beliefs, even if they don't feel natural at first. This process requires consistency and patience, but it is incredibly effective because your mind responds to repetition. And just as it learned the habit of self-doubt, it can learn a new habit of self-confidence. Start by catching yourself in moments of negative thinking and gently shifting your inner dialogue to something more empowering, such as, "I am capable," "I am learning," or "I can handle this." And over time, these new thoughts will begin to feel more natural and believable. In addition, taking small, positive actions reinforces these beliefs, creating a feedback loop where your thoughts and actions support each other in building confidence. This is exactly the kind of mental discipline that Dr. Joseph Murphy emphasized, reminding us that the power to reshape our lives begins within our own minds. And by eliminating this hidden habit of negative self-talk, you're not only protecting your confidence, but actively rebuilding it stronger than before, allowing you to move forward with clarity, courage, and a renewed sense of self-belief. Building on this awareness, the next step is to actively reprogram your inner dialogue so that confidence becomes your default state rather than something you struggle to maintain. And this requires deliberate mental practice combined with consistent action in your daily life. As emphasized in the teachings of Dr. Joseph Murphy, your subconscious mind does not argue or question what you feed it repeatedly. It simply accepts and acts upon those impressions, which means you must become intentional about the thoughts you allow to take root. One effective approach is to create a routine where you consciously replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations, not as empty phrases, but as purposeful statements backed by emotion and belief, because emotion is what imprints ideas deeply into the subconscious. For example, instead of passively hoping things will improve, you actively affirm, "I am becoming more confident every day." And you say it with conviction, allowing yourself to feel the truth of that statement even before you see physical evidence of it. At first, this may feel uncomfortable or even unrealistic, but that discomfort is simply a sign that you are stepping outside of your old mental patterns and creating new ones. In addition to affirmations, visualization plays a powerful role in rebuilding confidence. As you begin to mentally rehearse situations where you show up as your most confident self, speaking clearly, acting decisively, and handling challenges with calm assurance. And the more vividly you imagine these scenarios, the more familiar and achievable they become in real life. However, mental work alone is not enough. It must be paired with small, consistent actions that reinforce your new beliefs, because confidence grows through evidence. And every time you take a step forward, no matter how small, you provide proof to your mind that you are capable. This could mean speaking up in a meeting, trying something new, or simply following through on a commitment you made to yourself. And while these actions may seem minor, they accumulate over time and create a solid foundation of self-trust. It is also important to be patient with yourself during this process, because change does not happen overnight, and there will be moments when old thoughts try to resurface, but instead of judging yourself, you simply recognize those thoughts and redirect your focus back to the new patterns you're building. Over time, this consistent effort transforms your mindset in a profound way, allowing confidence to emerge naturally rather than feeling forced or temporary. And as you continue to practice these principles, you begin to realize that confidence is not something you are born with or without, but something you intentionally create and strengthen through your thoughts, your habits, and your willingness to grow beyond your previous limitations. As this transformation continues to take shape, you begin to notice a deeper shift not only in how you think, but in how you respond to challenges, opportunities, and even setbacks, because true confidence is not the absence of fear, but the ability to move forward despite it with a steady and grounded mindset. Drawing inspiration from the philosophy of Dr. Joseph Murphy, it becomes clear that your outer world is a reflection of your inner conditioning. And when your subconscious mind is aligned with empowering beliefs, your behavior naturally follows in ways that support growth and success. Instead of overanalyzing every decision or seeking constant validation from others, you start trusting your own judgment, which creates a sense of independence and emotional stability that cannot be easily shaken. This does not mean that doubts will never appear again, but they lose their control over you because you no longer identify with them as truth. Instead, you see them as temporary thoughts that can be redirected and reshaped. One of the most powerful aspects of this stage is the development of self-trust, which becomes the foundation of lasting confidence. And this trust is built every time you honor your commitments, speak honestly, and take responsibility for your actions without blaming external circumstances. As you continue practicing these habits, your identity begins to evolve, and you no longer see yourself as someone who struggles with confidence, but as someone who is capable, resilient, and continuously improving. This identity shift is crucial because your actions will always align with who you believe you are. And when you truly believe in your ability to handle life's challenges, you approach situations with a calm and focused energy that naturally attracts better outcomes. Additionally, your interactions with others begin to change as people respond to the confidence you project, creating a positive feedback loop that further reinforces your growth. You may find yourself communicating more clearly, setting healthier boundaries, and pursuing opportunities that you once avoided, all of which contribute to a stronger and more authentic sense of self. It is important to remember that this journey is ongoing, and maintaining confidence requires continued awareness and intentional effort. But the difference now is that you have the tools and understanding needed to sustain it over time. By consistently nurturing positive thoughts, taking aligned actions, and reinforcing your self-belief, you create a stable inner environment where confidence can thrive regardless of external circumstances. In the end, the habit that once quietly destroyed your confidence is replaced by a new pattern that strengthens it daily, allowing you to live with greater clarity, purpose, and assurance, knowing that your mindset is no longer working against you, but actively supporting the life you're building.